So you're not sure if you should install iOS 26 Beta 4, or should you just wait for the public release coming out later this week? So if you're ready, let's jump right into this video. Okay, so here are some things you should know before you decide to update your iPhone. First thing you want to do is you want to back up your iPhone just in case anything decides to break or not function properly. Make sure everything goes smoothly. And I wouldn't advise you to put it on your main device. I would skip it and put it on a secondary device. Because if you're using a dev beta like I am, you could have more bugs, um, lagging, instability. Uh, you could have app crashes, widgets not working, your lock screen acting up, stuff like that. As far as rumors, like I said in my last video, the public beta should hit around either the 22nd or the 23rd. And we know that iOS 26 beta 4 should be coming out tomorrow. So if I was you and you're not on a dev beta like I am right now, on a developer beta, then I would wait until the public beta when it's more safer. Now, if you're already on iOS 26 beta 3 like I am, you have the green light to go ahead and update your iPhone or iOS device to iOS 26 beta 4. So now and then, if you're new to betas and you're not sure whether you want to install, I would definitely wait until a public beta where it'll have a lot more stability and battery life will be a lot better. So it's best to wait it out for a few more days if you just want to update to a beta right now. Not the dev beta, but the public beta. Quick decision. Are you testing early or you're gonna play it safe? And or are you gonna wait until September for the official release? Let me know in the comments down below. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. If you're new to the channel, please hit that like, subscribe. Peace.